Hi there, this is Adeep from T Technology. In this lesson, we are going to talk about test plan, which is the second phase of the software testing life cycle. Let me open the document. So we talked very in details about requirement analysis and describe and define the ways that the tester can gather the requirement. If you don't watch that video, please take your time, watch that, and come back to the test plan. So test planning, we are going to talk about test planning and what is test plan. Let me open this one. So what is test plan? Who is preparing the test plan? When is the test plan prepared? And what is included in the test plan? So these are 4 questions that I'm going to describe and explain for your test plan. First, let's know what is a test plan. A test plan is a comprehensive document that defines how a product or a project will be tested. It is a guidelines. It's a roadmap for testing activities. It helps all testers to ensure all aspects of products are tested before it's released. So test plan consists of many phases that I will start for you I will answer these phases in the 4 questions. Now, who is preparing the test plan? In each organization or a company, there are a testing team. This testing team, it depends on the company and project. They might have a test lead or they might have a quality assurance manager. So mostly quality assurance manager is responsible for creating of a detailed test plan. Sometimes somehow test lead is also involving for creating of a test plan, but it depends on project, companies, and organization structure. Now come to third question. When is the test plan prepared? The test plan, the team will planning the phase of in the software development life cycle. If you remember, we talked about the software development life cycle, which was planning and requirement for the first phase. At the same phase, the test team is planning in the software development life cycle to create their test planning. So while they're creating test planning, they need to collaborate with developers, business analysts, other stakeholders to ensure that coverage and accuracy for that product. So it was about the third question. Move on to the 4th question. What is included in the test plan? See, in the test plan, the most important thing which is included are below. Scope. A scope of test plan that talks about it specifies the testable use cases. It means what need to be tested, what could be the scope of the projects that include and exclude all certain problems. The second one is schedule. In the schedule, it specifies when testing will start and when results are expected. Allocation or resources. That means it indicates that which tester will work on which functionality. How many resources are needed to test that functionality. Test environment. As I mentioned, that every company depends on every company that they have multiple environments, one environment for development, one environment for testing, one environment for the end users. So in the test environment, it says in depth, in very details, what capabilities do they have, what is the limitation of testing environment. Testing tool, it specifies the resources that will be used for testing. For example, what tools used for issue tracking or bug defects, what testing tools used for test executions. Next one is defect management. In the defect management, it defines how the defect should be notified, how we should submit the defect, and what information should accompany each report during the test management process. Like it should screenshot, image, text records, or what, code problems, clip problems, how to manage this defect. Risk management, one of the most important part of the test plan. In the risk management, they list all the potential risks that might arise during software testing. Or maybe the problems would face, or it would be deployed without adequate testing in the project. The last phase which is included in the test plan, this is called exit parameters. In exit parameters, it provides information on the mandatory termination of testing, how the testing part outcomes should be achieved through the test procedures, and when to stop testing. So these are the main parameters or main phases which are included in testing plan. So again, testing plan is a very comprehensive document that can be created by a test manager or a quality assurance manager or a test lead. If you got any question, feel free, comment below. We will reach you out. Thank you.